So Grove are one of our long-term business partners, and they're very much part of our plans for the future. We're obviously very keen to keep using their Integrum system. So Integrum as a system for us has been influential in making sure our business never stops, basically. So we takes care of all our stock management for us, and with the regular deliveries we get from those guys, it's just it's fantastic. And Integrum is a tried and tested product for us. We've used it in 2 of our other sites, so it was a no-brainer to get on board here at the new site. I've really enjoyed working with Grove over the past few years. They've been fantastic and instrumental in helping us with lots of different things. There's always someone on the end of the phone that can help us out, and they're always coming to us with new ideas and ways we can improve our business rather than just trying to sell us stuff. So yeah, ever grateful to those guys.